Hello. This workout with Charles Mack. I'm up here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, walking up the snow. You know, I'm the most creative person on YouTube. You see, this snow, Pennsylvania, walking in the snow. Hey, I deal with irritable bowel syndrome. You understand? I'm not giving up. I'm just bringing something new. I'm bringing something new to my friends, my fans. Okay? I work very hard to be the very best person I can possibly be. Okay? Subscribe, like, and share. Workout with Charles Mack. Never giving up. Always be yourself. Don't be nobody else. Bye-bye. See you later.